Welcome to Yes Kids Educational Channel.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Alex.
How old are you?
I am 8 years old.
In which class are you?
I am in class 3.
Which school do you go to?
I go to Sunshine School.
Do you like your school?
Yes, I love my school.
Why do you love your school?
Because I learn new things and I have many friends here.
How do you come to school every day?
I come to school by school bus.
Do you like traveling by bus?
Yes, it's fun. I sit with my best friend.
What time do you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth, wash my face, take a bath, and get ready.
Do you eat breakfast before school?
Yes, I eat my breakfast with my family.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat an egg, bread, and drink milk.
That's a healthy breakfast. Do you help your parents at home?
Yes, I help my mom to set the table.
That's very good. What do you do in school?
I study, read books, draw pictures, and play.
What subjects do you study?
I study English, math, science, Urdu, and computer.
What is your favorite subject?
I like English the most.
Why do you like English?
Because I enjoy reading and speaking English.
That's great. Do you like reading books?
Yes, I love reading storybooks.
Can you name a story you read?
Yes, I read The Lion and the Mouse.
Did you like the story?
Yes, it was fun and had a good lesson.
What was the lesson?
We should help others, even if they are small.
Well said. Do you do your homework every day?
Yes, teacher, I always do my homework.
Who helps you with your homework?
Sometimes my father helps me.
What do you do after school?
I come home, eat lunch, rest a little, then do homework.
What games do you like to play?
I like to play cricket and hide and seek.
Who do you play with?
I play with my friends and my brother.
That's fun. Now tell me, who is your best friend?
My best friend is John.
Why do you like John?
He is kind, helpful, and makes me laugh.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a pilot.
Why do you want to be a pilot?
Because I want to fly planes and visit new countries.
That's a wonderful dream. What does your father do?
My father is a doctor.
And your mother?
My mother is a teacher.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What time do you sleep at night?
I sleep at 9 o'clock.
Do you brush your teeth before bed?
Yes, I brush and wash my face.
Do you say your prayers before sleeping?
Yes, every night.
What is the first thing you do in the morning?
I thank God and then brush my teeth.
How many people are there in your family?
We are 6 people.
What do you do on weekends?
I play, watch movies, and go to the park with my family.
What is your favorite food?
I like pizza and ice cream.
What is your favorite drink?
I like mango juice.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What do you enjoy more, drawing or reading?
I enjoy both, but I like drawing more.
What do you draw usually?
I draw animals and nature.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love singing songs.
Do you like dancing too?
A little bit, yes.
Do you use a computer at home?
Yes, sometimes for games and study.
What do you use your phone for?
I use it to watch cartoons and learn English.
You did a great job answering all the questions.
Thank you, teacher.
Keep practicing English every day.
I will, teacher. I want to speak better.
You're already doing well. I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much, teacher.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, teacher.